Hey everyone. So if Google Translate Voice isn't working for you, like it's not speaking, no sound, or the microphone just won't pick up anything, yeah, it's really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. First, let's check something simple but super common: your volume. Make sure your device isn't on silent or do not disturb mode. Also, if you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them and test the sound again. Next, check microphone permissions. If Google Translate can't access your mic, voice input simply won't work. Go into your settings and make sure microphone access is allowed for the app or browser. Okay, now make sure you've selected the correct language. Sometimes voice doesn't play if the language pair is incomplete or unsupported. Also try switching the voice option or changing the output language and testing again. Now this one is important: your device's text-to-speech engine. If it's disabled or outdated, Google Translate Voice won't work properly. Go into your accessibility settings and make sure text-to-speech is turned on and updated. Next, check for updates. An outdated app can cause voice issues. If it still doesn't work, clear the cache. This fixes a lot of random bugs, so it's worth doing. And if nothing is working, yeah, just restart your phone or reinstall Google Translate. That usually resets everything and fixes hidden glitches. And that's it. One of these fixes should get the voice working again. If it still doesn't work, it might be a temporary issue with Google's servers. So just wait a bit and try again later.